Have you ever been studying for an exam, reviewing your notes, or previewing a new lesson and suddenly got stuck on something? The problem isn't always finding the answer. These days, plenty of AI tools can do that. But understanding why the answer is correct and having someone to guide you through the learning process is much harder. That's what caught my attention about Gauth. Instead of simply giving you an answer, it helps you understand the topic, ask follow-up questions, and even review what you've learned afterward. Today, I'll show you how it creates a complete learning workflow, from solving a question to understanding it to reinforcing your knowledge. Let's get started. You can find the download link in the description below. After opening Gauth, you'll find a clean and easy-to-use interface with several study tools. Today, I'll demonstrate the learning flow using 4 main features: Photo, Search A, Tutor, Quizify flashcards. Let's start with Photo Search. I'm going to upload a few questions from different subjects. Gauth recognizes it instantly and gives a clear explanation. Whether it's science, biology, chemistry, or other school subjects, you can simply snap a picture and quickly understand the solution. Once I understand the basic answer, I can move on to the next step. Sometimes reading the explanation still isn't enough. That's when I switch over to AI Tutor. Instead of asking another AI for a completely new answer, I can continue the conversation about the same topic. The AI Tutor explains everything in a natural conversation, making difficult concepts much easier to understand.
Hello! Let's find the inverse of this matrix together. To find the inverse of a 2x2 matrix, we use a special formula. We need to calculate 1 divided by the determinant and multiply it by a modified version of the original matrix.
It feels much more like learning with a tutor than simply reading an answer. Once I understand the topic, I want to check if I actually learned it, so I use Quizify. With one tap, Gauth generates practice questions based on what I just studied. Instead of passively reading explanations, I can actively test my understanding. If I get something wrong, I can immediately review the explanation again. Finally, I use flashcards to help remember the important concepts. Gauth automatically turns the key points into simple flashcards that are easy to review later. This is especially useful before quizzes or exams because I can quickly refresh my memory without rereading everything. What I like most about Gauth isn't just that it answers questions, it guides you through the entire learning process. You start by solving a question with Photo Search. Then, you ask AI Tutor to understand it more deeply. Next, you reinforce what you've learned with Quizify. Finally, you review everything using flashcards. That makes studying feel much more organized instead of simply searching for answers. If you'd like to try Gauth yourself, you'll find the download link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.